So good to see instrument respecting the levels beautifully. Crude oil reversed precisely from 76.6 levels. I have mentioned earlier in the day that that is a greater resistance prices might reverse, and yes, it has still got its support intact at 75.8. Those who watched the first update with the Asia and Europe session must recall these values beautifully. So far, these levels are respected. And likewise, net gas, we expected it to bounce back. It has moved towards 1.86. Again, the levels are beautifully respected. So now what to expect from crude oil and net gas today with the US session? What is going to be our strategy? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to watch twice a day updates here. Do like, share, and comment, friends. This is always a great motivation for me. Let's start. First oil followed with gas. Watch. Now see, earlier in the day I have mentioned 76.6 is the only level above which we can consider oil is turning bullish. It is precisely beautifully reversed from the same levels. Now also the selling entry was at 76.2 and 75.8 I have mentioned as a greater. Again 75.8 indeed is a great support. Below 75.8 one can again stay short. One can again expect oil to drop more towards 75.3, 75.5 as the first targets, and then I will be looking forward to 75 levels as the next targets. Yes, it is trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Stochastic coming to oversold levels. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see preceding candle was a Mariboju almost. Yes, a flat top and a flat bottom, and this candle has started with the lows. I will wait for it to now break below 75.8 where it might turn bearish. Looking forward to 75.5, 75.3 zone, and then in fact 75 levels, which are very, very good support levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. MACD. Now see MACD, I have mentioned this is a V-shaped recovery and a crossover here may lead to bearishness. Precisely the same has happened. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, you can look at, see prices converge towards the 20 period moving average. Now 20 period moving average is giving it a little. Thus, we need to wait for it to break below the 20 period moving average, and then it will start moving towards the 50 and 100. Right now, it appears the 20 period moving average giving it a very, very good support. See, when the retracement and then again the rise. So yes, possibility of a bounce back exists, but I will be looking forward to a slight drop before it looks forward to a reversal. Stochastic has come to bottom. MACD. Now look at MACD on the 3 hour chart. Just crossing over, trading with divergence. There is further more to go, it appears. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4 hour. Similarly, on the 4 hour charts, after trading sideways, it has shown a reversal sign, one bearish candle. There could be a follow-up candle which will take the prices little lower. I will be looking forward to 75.3, 75.5, proving out to be a very, very good support, and then 75 levels. It has the potential to drop towards those. Stochastic dropping, see MACD crossing over here. Yes, slight bearish sign. We have to wait for a couple of more candles in order to confirm that it has taken a direction and it is certainly going to drop. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily charts. And before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Half of the batch is already filled. Do register yourself. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram to trade as per the signals. Again, for any of your queries related to the services, ping me on Telegram or write an email to me. Both are shared in my channel and video description. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, or if you want to book a call with me for any consultation or guidance, visit the platform forexfunda.com. That is my own platform. Now, on the daily charts, I've mentioned one thing very clearly. See, this is a megaphone pattern, and it always suggests that there could be a pullback, because see the last candle is important. It was a greener candle, but with a very small greener body with almost less than 50% of the complete move. This suggests that prices might try to trend bearish, and that is what has happened. It is trying to reverse, possibility for it to move now slowly, gradually towards the 20 and 50 period moving average exist, which are right now situated in between 74, 75 levels. So for the day, there could be slight further bearishness. We have to watch out. Also on the daily charts, the rise, the retracement, lower high. So it could also try to create a channel where the lows are far below at 70. Be watchful of oil. The stochastic overbought. MACD has just crossed over and RSI is flat. Considering this, very simple, buying entry is only above 76.6 levels. where you can look forward to 75 7.2, and this time if crude oil stays above 77.2, you should wait for it to move towards 80 78 and then $80 levels, if not today, possibly in next few sessions. And on the downside, a selling entry at 75.75 can be taken, which will take the prices towards to 75.3, 75.4, and then I will look forward to 75 levels and below. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, gas on the early charts formed a very good support. I had remember in the earlier update today, I had asked you to sell only below 1.81 levels, where you can treat this as bearish. Yes, it has breached the resistance at 1.3, 1.83 and moved towards 1.86. It is almost on the verge of filling the gap here. I will be looking forward to a little further rise. Any move beyond 1.9 is a confirmation that it is trying to reverse. As long as it stays below 1.9, we have to be careful as it is creating a bearish channel here. Stochastic coming out of the overbought levels. MACD is still looking upwards and is bullish. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 2 look at 2 hour charts. A good flat bottom is formed, increasing bullishness, trading sideways. I will wait for it to break beyond 1.86, which will be a confirmation for a further rise towards 1.88 and 1.9. 1.9 is the milestone. We have to wait for it to break. The stochastic near to overbought. MACD is started to diverge here. It is looking upwards. It is still bullish. RSI is also started to rise. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, you can see bullishness getting diminished. There is a sideways movement in current candle. We have to wait for it to stay above 1.86 and then 1.88 levels. Possibility for it to move towards 1.88 and 1.9 levels exist, and exist strong. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. MACD has crossed over. It is starting to diverge. Possibly this could be the sign of reversal. RSI is also coming out of the oversold. Coming to 4 hour. Now see, on the 4 hour charts, look at this movement. Look at this movement. Identically symmetrical here. It is trying to create a channel, and this is also confining itself within between this narrow channel. This is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. We have to wait for it to break beyond 1.9 levels, which will be a confirmation of bullishness, as it is not to be treated as bullish. Remember, as long as gas stays above below 1.9, we should not be treating this as bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish cross. RSI is oversold. It is just coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, prices are divergent from the moving averages. Moving averages are also trading with divergence. Chances for the price to converge towards the moving average exists right now, sitting at around 2.1, and this is also greater resistance. Today, after the reversal sign, today could be the first bullish candle, and we can expect a next bullish candle soon, which may take the prices towards 2.1 levels. Still, it is not in a reversal on the daily charts. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD is in red, trying to converge. RSI is oversold itself. Considering a sell entry in net gas today is only below 1.82, where you can sell and expect it to move towards 1.8, and if it breaks below 1.8, that should be a case where it is going to crash further towards 1.76, 1.7 for the day, and for next couple of days it appears a lesser chance it can bounce back. It is willing to retrace. Thus, you can buy here at 1.86, expect it to move towards 1.88 and 1.92, very stronger resistance. Beyond 1.9 in couple of sessions, we may see gas moving towards 1.9496 zone, which is a greater resistance. And after that, certainly, if it breaks beyond this, we will be looking forward to 2.05 and 2.1 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more updates with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.